drove the freaking landing gear right up to the floor.
He was right
They're not
over
the
here.
brightest pilots. I mean, look at this
He
one.
was right over here for 6 to 9 months with the tarp over him with scaffolding trying to fix it.
Why is that A400 still on the ground?
Waiting for the ice.
Yeah, but like,
It looks like they're getting ready to go. Yeah, it's running, ain't it?
sounds like the APU is on. Unless it's...
This is the first time I've ever seen a plane not take off and have to go all the way
Not
back
me.
around.
Oh,
I've
it's
seen
gonna
it
be
before.
air